Hi everyone, this is Saidul here and welcome to my new video. Today we are not going to create any website or website design. In this video we are diving into the exciting world of web design with a focus on a platform that's been a game changer for creators like you. That's right, we are talking about a template monster. Template Monster is a digital marketplace offering a variety of website, template and design assets for a different platform. User can purchase and customize this template to create personalized website and efficiently. And if you use TemplateMonster offer you a wide range of website templates and themes for various platforms, including website template for WordPress, Shopify, HTML, WooCommerce, PrestaShop, Joomla, PowerPoint, and others. Here are some potential benefits of using TemplateMonster, such as diverse selection, professional design, customization option, responsive design, time and cost saving, regular updates, e-commerce solution, and community and resource. And when we build a website, it needs to be responsive. Because of a responsive website is a site that is designed to adapt and display properly on various devices and screen size, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphone. Responsive web design uses flexible layout, fluid grids, and media queries to ensure that the website content adjusts dynamically based on the characteristics of the user's device. And I will tell you why creating responsive site is essential. And if you create a responsive site, improve your user experience. Like a responsive site enhance user experience by offering easy navigation, readable text, and optimized image and any device. Visitors are more likely to stay on your site and engage with its content when it's user friendly and visual appealing, leading to higher conversion rates. Premium site templates often come with several advantages compared to free templates, and one of the key aspects in the enhanced functionality they offer. And I will tell you why premium site templates may have more functionality for creating website, like advanced features, responsive design, customized option, optimized for performance, regular update and support, integration with third-party tools, and unique design. And now I will show you how to open an account on TemplateMonster and how to download and customize the theme. For getting full benefits of TemplateMonster, you can sign up using the link I have provided in this video description and instant get 7% discount, and by doing that you will be able to get all the products. And I have also provided the MonsterOne sign up link in this video description. By using the MonsterOne sign up link, you will get 10% off. As easy as that. Now I am going to show you how to can use the link to sign up to TemplateMonster. And now first we will create an account, and you need to go to the search bar on your device and type TemplateMonster. After that, such a page will show on your device and you click the sign up button. We are client of TemplateMonster, so we can select the client button and we will enter our Gmail. And give a strong password. After which we will click on the create account button and save password. Then check the Gmail inbox with which we will create the account. And confirm your mail. And press the go to find our dreams template. Yes. Finally, we have successfully created the account. Now we will see how to install and customize a theme. First, go to the home page and search for a free templates. And we will get many websites. Select a website to install. And if you want to install a website from here, then you have to share a link and like any social network. I will show you step by step to install the website. You can install it like this if you want. Finally, I have successfully downloaded the theme. You can download the theme from TemplateMonster like this if you want. I am going to unzip the folder and create a new folder. And now I am going to customize it according to our needs. Now I will copy the source code and file from the zip file and paste them in a folder. And open the Visual Studio Code file to customize the website. You can customize it in any text editor like Sublime Text, Notepad or Vim. Here is the HTML code of the website. We can see the CSS and JavaScript code of the website. Now we will see the output of the website and customize it. This is website title and I will change it. Now I will show you how to customize the website and I will change the title and image of the website. You can customize everything this way if you want. Now let's get acquainted with MonsterOne. MonsterOne is a subscription service offered by TemplateMonster, a well-known marketplace for website templates, graphics, and other digital assets. MonsterOne provides a subscriber with unlimited access to a wide range of digital products, including website templates, WordPress theme, plugin graphics, presentation templates, and more. It offers different subscription plans tailored to the needs of individual business and agency, providing a cost-effective solution for accessing high-quality digital assets for various projects. If you buy MonsterOne subscription, you will get access to 357,500 premium digital product which you can use for your projects. And many people may have question about why I should choose MonsterOne. I say, why should you choose MonsterOne? If you buy a subscription to MonsterOne, then you get unlimited downloads with simple license, support and help, and new product weekly. Now I will show you how to subscribe to or join MonsterOne. I will show you everything step by step. If you want, you can join like this. Let's start. As you can see, I have logged in by using the link. After login, you will be able to get different types of templates for your projects and use it as you wish. Thank you for watching. Have a good times.